A meeting of minds for a problem plaguing the country. Senior religious leaders meet in the mixed Jewish-Muslim city of Acre to discuss the rise in sectarian tension, although the violence has subsided to be replaced by a tense, possibly fragile calm.
In this city, we've created a wonderful model for coexistence.
We need to strengthen the participation in Acre so it will remain a city of coexistence.
But riots broke out in Acre last month. Property was set ablaze. The riots continued throughout the 11-day escalation between Israel and Hamas. 2 luxury hotels were destroyed, and the most recent and tragic news. Avi Har-Even, a former leader of Israel's space program and a winner of the prestigious Israel Prize, died after being seriously injured during an arson attack at a hotel. The chief rabbi attended the meeting and called for unity.
Go to those places and tell them it's enough. We can't continue like this. Even if we have disagreements that happen in Jerusalem or other places, we are neighbors.
With leaders from all major religions.
I think the meeting shows, how much unity there is amongst the different religious representatives in terms of their vision to really, while having a belief to honor tolerance and honor trust and honor truthfulness and justice.
So now they hope this conversation will change the reality on the streets. Emily Rose, I-24 News.